National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Union, northeastern Madison, southeastern Logan, southeastern Hardin, northwestern Franklin, Delaware, northeastern Champaign, until 1:30 a.m. At 12:49 a.m., radar indicated severe thunderstorms located along a line extending from north of Essex to West Mansfield to Lepinkett, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Storm hazards include damaging winds to 70 miles an hour. Locations impacted include North Lewisburg, Richwood, Marysville, Mechanicsburg, Plain City, Delaware, Ashley, Dublin, Powell, Lake Dobby, Hilliard, Polaris, Worthington, Upper Arlington, Sunbury. In addition, Middleburg, Kennard, Mingo, Raymond, Somersville, Cable, Broadway, Pottersburg, Essex, Woodstock, Ferrisburg, Magnetic Springs, Milford Center, State Route 4, State Route 161, and Nudover are near the path of these severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until these storms have passed. Tornadoes can develop suddenly in these conditions. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
A severe